If you want to charge Redmi Watch 6, then you can use the cable that we have inside the box and that comes with the watch. Over here we have this, on this side of the cable we have this these pins that we need to connect to the back of the watch. Over here we have the magnetic part, and if you try to connect it the other way, you will actually feel the cable pushing away from the watch. So it is of course important to connect it the proper way, and if you do this the correct way, then the cable is going to connect to the watch straight away. Now of course we also have the other part, which is the USB. On the other side it is USB-A, so what you can do is you can use a charger or power adapter, for example the same one that you use to charge your phone. You can also use your phone as well, but most of the time you also need to use an adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C, so I guess it depends on the situation what is more convenient. So what we're gonna do now is, of course, we need to connect this cable to the power adapter, and then we connect it to the power socket, and then we should be able to start charging. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.